Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about mode in continuous distribution. What is mode? Mode is the number which occurs maximum number of times. So let us discuss the equation. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 into C divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. So L1 is equal to lower limit of model class and F0 is equal to frequency of class just preceding model class. And F1 is equal to frequency of model class and F2 is equal to frequency of class just succeeding model class and C is equal to class interval. Next we are going to solve a problem based on continuous distribution. So the problem given, calculate mode for the following data, size are given and frequencies are also given. So what is the equation of mode? Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 into C divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. So first we have to find out model class. Model class. Model class is equal to 25, 30 because it has highest number of frequency, 30. Okay, so model class is equal to 25 to 30. From here we have to find out L1. L1 is equal to lower limit of model class. So L1 is equal to lower limit of model class. Lower limit 25. L1 is equal to 25. Next we have to find out F0. F0 frequency of class just preceding model class. So frequency of model class this, then just preceding model class this is equal to 18. F0 is equal to 18. Okay, next we have to find out F1. F1 is equal to frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. So frequency of model class 25, 30, frequency 30. F0 is equal to 18 and F1 is equal to 30. Next we have to find out F2. F2 is equal to what? F2 is equal to frequency of class just succeeding model class. Okay. This is the model class and this is the class just succeeding model class. So 20. F2 is equal to 20. And last we have to find out C. C is the class interval. Class interval here 10 to 15. What is the difference? 5. 15 to 20. What is the difference? 5. So C is equal to 5. Class interval 5. And substitute these values in this equation. So mode is equal to L1. L1 is equal to 25. 25 plus F1 is equal to 30. 30 minus F0 is equal to 18 into C. C is equal to 5 divided by 2F1. 2 into F1 is equal to 30. 2 into 30 minus F0. F0 is equal to 18. 18 and F2 is equal to 20. Okay. Mode is equal to 25 plus 30 minus 18 into 5 divided by 2 into 30 minus 18 minus 20. Okay. Solve the equation. 25 plus 30 minus 18 is equal to 12 into 5 divided by 2 into 30 60 minus 18 minus 20 and which is equal to 25 plus 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is equal to 60 divided by 16 minus 18 is equal to 42. 42 minus 20. 42 minus 20 is equal to 22. And solve the equation. We get 27.33. Mode is equal to 27.33. Okay. So the mode for the following data is 27.33. Okay. Thank you.